Hello everyone. We have started chapter number 1, nutrition in animals, and in my previous video we have discussed about the process of the digestion and parts of the human digestive system. First part is buccal cavity, means mouth. Now buccal cavity is having a 3 parts. In our mouth is having a 3 parts. First is the teeth, you already know, tongue, and third one is the salivary glands. We will discuss one by one, and the first part is teeth. See, teeth are present in our mouth, and they helps in chewing and grinding food. How many types of teeth are there? 4 types of teeth are there in our mouth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Our dental formula of normal human adult is 2123 upon 2123, means 2 pair of incisors are present on the upper side, 2 pairs of incisors lower side, 1 pair of canine is on the upper side and 1 pair is on lower side, 2 pairs premolars, 2 pairs premolars on the lower side, 3 pairs of molars are present on the upper side and 3 pairs are present on the lower side, and total number of the teeth in an adult is 32. See, this is the dental formula of the human being, and see, on teeth hardest substance is present. Hardest substance of the body, you can say, are present on the teeth is known as enamel. Enamel is the hardest part, hardest substance of the body present on the teeth. See, we have to take care of the teeth. See, improper brushing, if we do not brush properly, it will lead to the tooth decay. Tooth decay means bombardment of the bacteria in our mouth. And main functions of the teeth is chew, grind, and grinding the food. Second is tongue. Tongue helps in the taste. Taste buds are present on the tongue, which helps in mixes the food with saliva. This is the main function. It mixes the food with saliva, and taste buds are present on all over the tongues. Third part is the salivary gland. See, in salivary gland, they contains the amylase enzyme. You can say salivary amylase, which break down the starch into the sugars. Which break down the starch into starch is a form of carbohydrates. So we see, students, we have already seen digestion starts from our mouth itself with the help of enzyme salivary amylase, which break down the starch into the sugar, and starch is a form of carbohydrates, means carbohydrates digest in our mouth itself. Okay, this is all about the buccal cavity, or you can say mouth. And the second part of the digestive system is esophagus, or you can say food pipe. See, we swallow our food with the help of our tongue. Esophagus is a food pipe. Esophagus helps in pushing down the food by the walls in a wave-like structure. Students, it pushes down the food by the walls in a wave-like action. This is called the peristalsis movement. So esophagus push down the food through the peristalsis movement. Peristalsis means wave-like structure. See, this is our esophagus, and the food is like move like this, and it carries the food to the stomach. Got it? Now next part of digestive system is our stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organ. J-shaped organ present after the esophagus. See, main three things are present in our stomach. First thing is HCl. HCl means hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid helps to kill the microorganisms present in our food. Second is the mucus. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the HCl. Sometimes in our stomach excess of HCl is released, excess of hydrochloric acid is released. That is why we feel burning sensation in our body, because stomach pushes down the acid into our body, and mucus overcomes that sensation, that protects the lining of the stomach from the HCl. If excess of HCl is released, mucus is not released, it will lead to the stomach ulcers in our stomach. Third is the pepsin. Pepsin is a kind of enzyme itself. It converts proteins into the peptones and proteases. Now the second component of the food. First component of the food was carbohydrate. Carbohydrates was digested in our mouth itself. Second component is protein. Proteins digested in our stomach. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will discuss our next parts in my next video. Thank you.